On January 15, 2024, officers responded to a call about a 10-month-old child rushed to the hospital after he was found unresponsive.
Bro, you said you've been to this lady before?
I've been to the house several times, and it was for her. She does other stuff, but I've never seen that before. But I've been to her several times.
What's her name?
Now. Who?
What's her name?
Heather. I don't know her last name. Heather is her first name. But I don't believe her story at all. She said that the kid had off the couch, but I think she actually that kid several times. It's the way she was acting, and I've been there several times for her, and she was on.
She was agitated and
yes,
very loud and back at rescue and everything like that.
And where's she at now?
At the house.
Still in the house.
Who's this here?
That's the husband. Well,
The dad.
yeah, but that. So Heather is a friend, but his wife is in jail.
Okay.
Yeah,
Very
so
confused.
Very.
Okay. Where's the address at?
It's off of 90.
You know where that gas station is going down towards Woburn?
Yeah.
It's the next house, right? On the left. You're going
By
towards Woburn.
the Wreckers?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That house?
Yeah.
That's it, yeah. They got does the guy have a beard? The husband?
No, he doesn't have a beard right now.
He had tattoos on one of his fingers and all that.
Russian mobster.
Is he irritable like this when you see him? No, he's heathen,
I just want to
you
see
know, like that. Hey, buddy. No, he's not like that. I mean,
Does he have any developmental?
he hasn't had anything, man.
So, Chip, how many times y'all go out there? How many times y'all go out there?
I've been there now 3 times. First time for this child, and twice for her.
What's the time frame? 6 months, 3 weeks?
Let me see if I can find it tomorrow.
Probably about a year and a half.
I was working a while ago. That's when she called me and said that he got up from a nap or something. He was on. So I said, well, call 911. Oh, okay. So she called, and then I flew from Lake City over here. Why would he just all of a sudden start having seizures? Does that got anything to do with him teething or anything?
I don't know. That's usually.
Was there any way that we can get him moved to Shane? That's where he was born at.
Yeah,
That's where
let's
his
do
doctors.
the work up here first.
Okay. He what now?
He was out here with me earlier. I changed him.
Right.
Put him down for a nap, and he lay down like he normally does. He had his bottle, but he didn't drink all of it. He only drank.
So you put him down for a nap, and then when you went there to check on him, he wasn't doing nothing?
Yeah, when I went in there to check on him, he was colder, like he got kind of like a pale. And when I went to go pick him up, his arm just like fell, and he made my pick him up, and he was lifeless.
All right, well, if you could come down here, I mean, all right.
He said they met with a babysitter named Heather. So he might have done more. And so yeah, his name's Levi Harris. 10 months, 8 days.
Yeah, he's got date of birth.
Shit, we got right now.
Whoever Heather is possibly on the way. Mom's incarcerated.
Who's mom?
I don't know.
Same woman.
Probably.
Well, we got to see it. And he'll do that. All right. So I'll call DCF now.
Yeah, I let them know, and then they may follow up and go down to Gainesville and check the baby for themselves.
Yeah, I would think so. Okay. All right. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So what's going on?
Okay, here's what's going on. His mama, she probation since she got put in jail.
Right.
So I've had about 3 people that's been helping me with him.
Who are they?
Shannon, the people that own Ken's Barbecue, Lake City, they help me. And his aunt, Paula Ash, she helps me. And Heather.
Heather who?
I don't know what her last name is.
You don't know her last name, but you let her watch your kid?
Well, I've known her for a long time. I can't remember what her last name is. Okay. Believe me, man, I wouldn't put my child in a situation. Okay.
No, I'm just asking a question.
Well,
because
I'm telling you what's going on.
Yeah.
So,
I'm listening.
I'm on disability, and I don't get very much money at all. So, I do little side jobs here and there to try to make money. So, I made arrangements for her to watch him.
Who's
and Heather?
Heather?
And I was going to take him to Shannon's, but he started running the fever. She said.
When was this?
I think she said about a week ago or something, he started running the fever.
Who said that?
Heather. And so I went and got Motrin because he was teething. And I had him to the doctor, and I had asked her because he was at his ears, and the doctor told me that was from teething.
And this was a week ago that you took him to the doctor?
No, he went to the doctor last month.
So a week ago he started running a fever, Heather says.
Approximately.
And Heather told you that?
Yes.
Okay.
So I went and got Motrin. My arrangement with her is I work, when I get done, usually about 4 or 5 o'clock, then I go over, drive from Lake City over here, and I spend a couple hours with him, and then I go back home. Now, if it's like on the weekend or something, like Sunday or something, I'll take him with me, and then we'll go eat lunch and do whatever. That's what I told him. Probably about 2 weeks ago, I had him on Sunday. But I can't remember, it's been about a week or so ago that he started teething, and he was a little bit irritable. But when I went over there last night, I just bought him some clothes, and he had a Disney jacket, like a fluffy one. I couldn't see that. I have never seen that on his neck before. God is my witness. I'm telling you, I've never seen that. If I did, he wouldn't be there.
What about the mark on his face?
That I did. The scratch. Yeah, I saw that.
What happened there?
She said that he was at his ear, and I asked her, I said, why is that? Why didn't you trim his fingernails or whatever? And she said, she did trim his fingernails, but the doctor told me that they will pull at their ear.
So you're claiming that she said that he was grabbing at his ears and that's what caused scratches?
That's what she told me. If I didn't know that bruise was on him, I'm telling you, there ain't no way in hell that he would have ever stayed there. No way. And when I asked her a while ago about that, what was on him, she said that he had fell into something or whatever, but I didn't know that was on there. Had no earthly idea.
What were you talking about?
She said that he was in the bathtub or something, and he had. You'd have to ask her.
Are you talking about you just found this out now?
Yes. When I got an ambulance, he has this. What the hell is that? And they said, well, that's what we want to ask you. I said, I don't know. I said, you better ask her. And I called her, and she's supposed to be coming down here.
And she claims it's from falling in the tub?
I believe that's what she said.
His collarbone's broken.
Are you
Where the
serious?
bruising is.
It's broken.
And that looks like to me like that. Because the
What? Did somebody grabbed him?
going around his neck. All around here like that? Yeah, that's like that. Well, and it's a little white, so it looks like the bone's a little white. So it may not be today. And the picture is a little old, so it may not be that much that didn't just happen today. Okay?
It's okay. It's okay.
I don't see you today.
So Megan, she smoked
Who?
Megan, or what's her name? Heather.
Heather. I've never seen them smoking it.
Do you smell it? You know.
Sometimes that boyfriend that her daughter's got, I think he does.
Do you ever smell it in the house?
No.
Do you ever smell it in the house?
No.
You have never seen them smoke? You've never seen them in plain view going
If I
inside
did,
the house?
he wouldn't be there.
Well, he got in his system somehow.
So he didn't get it from me.
I understand
And
that.
I'll piss test right
That's
now.
why I'm asking you. Have you
I
ever
have never
seen
seen
it,
them
smell
smoke. I've never, in the house, I have never smelled. I do know that the boyfriend of her daughter, one time out front, there's like a gate, and I smelled it over there by his car. Now, as far as in there, if I know that house smelled like, he'd never been in there. Believe that.
You know Heather's daughter's name?
No, I don't.
Her boyfriend's name? Neither?
I know that they drive I think it's a maroon car.
Okay.
They live in Live Oak. I don't know their name.
Okay, that's fine.
Later, investigators arrested Heather, 39. She was charged with child neglect, aggravated child abuse. Investigators say emergency crews responded after the child experienced a medical episode while under the babysitter's care. Medical professionals later determined the child's condition was not consistent with the explanations provided, prompting a full investigation by the sheriff's office and child welfare agencies. Authorities noted that emergency services were not contacted immediately when the child's condition changed, which became a key factor in the case. As a precautionary measure, the child was placed into medical foster care under a court order while the investigation continued.